The process of fertilization takes place once sperm have reached the egg, or oocyte. It is the process of binding to the egg via the acrosome reaction. The acrosome, a structure at the head of the sperm, contains enzymes that are required to bind and break through the coating of the egg. You're not alone if this seems a bit complicated and not easily understood. To keep things simple, just remember that when someone says fertilization, they are talking about when the sperm and egg combine to start making a human baby.